Hello and welcome to the third part of Active Directory Sync. In the first video I talked about setting up a device sync against an ADOU. This works great for a single group, however if you have a large number of rooms in your site and want to sync all of them, setting it up like that could take a while even using the clone option. The other option is to do a groups of devices sync, which will create a separate group for each security group in an OU. Once again, we start by logging into the central server, selecting server settings and sync, but this time we choose the groups of devices option. This settings page looks very similar and requires much of the same information: a friendly name for the sync, how often you want it to run, your domain, and a base domain if you wish. The difference is that instead of looking in the OU for devices and adding them to the specified group, the server will look in the OU for any security groups and then create a group for each one. There is also a new option to delete groups that have been created by the sync job if the associated security group has been removed from Active Directory. When you click Next, you will again see the option to automatically set which users can see the new groups. This is optional but allows a bit more control over who can gain access to which devices. Finally, click Create to create the new sync. From here I can run the sync job and then look in the console to see that my groups have been created as specified. Please note that, as with all sync jobs, if you make any changes to a group, these changes will be lost the next time the sync runs. For more information on sync jobs in general, please see the previous videos. However, if you still have any questions, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.